Good morning. Assalamualaikum. We would like to present it our paper have a title Enhancing Loan Application Business Process Model with Multi-Perspective Process Mining by Rizal Brur Bahares and Humairah Jakaya on International Conference on Cyber and IT Service Management. Our agenda, including introduction to process mining, research background, research question, research methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. Let's start with process mining introduction. Normally, there is three types process mining. The first is discovery, that we have an event log and we're trying to make a model, and then confirmation checking. There's an input event log and a model, and we're trying to checking and diagnostic. And then there is a type enhancement type. Start with input event log and model, and we find a new model. The idea is about financial industry problem, the same with OJK in Indonesia. The data of financial is from the Dutch Bank, Netherlands, is around data from 2017. Is data set from competition, BPI challenge, business process challenge. We see in Indonesia especially, the fintech player is continue increase. And the business process model can represent by Petrinet, BPMN, OML, and directed flow graphs. The process model can play important role to business process. So we can model, optimize, compliance, and audit, and so on, so on. Multi-perspective process mining is defined by Manhart in 2018, is process mining in order to gain more comprehensive understanding of a process. And also try to simulate process flow using data flow from event log. This is an example of multi-perspective. There is a data flow from one data to another. Let it row from a few author, from example, Leno, he doing discovery, multi-perspective, data aware discovery, and domain data set is in health and public administration. Compose, discovery, multi-perspective. Discovery, confirmation, and multi-perspective. Our group in 2021, discovery, in financial institution. MAGI, discovery, conformant, and multi-perspective. And our research is using all of these parameter. Research question: are the multi-perspective process mining on process model more accurate than those produced by basic process mining technique? And second, what an additional perspective are represented in the model of financial loan application process by multi-perspective process mining? And third, how accurate does the optimized model performance extra perspective to represent the financial loan application? Our research methodology start with planning. Extraction is part of initialization, and then continue with analysis iteration, data process, mine analysis, evaluation, and conclusion based on Eric von Eric et al. 2015. After we get the data, we try to make a process discovery using inductive manner algorithm. We get this Petrinet model. And then from that, we find the fitness is around 94%, precision 84%, and F1 score around 89%. This the result of conformance checking. We see also the enhancement in the yellow area and also with the data moving. And we have also comparison, fitness precision and F1 score. This graph can answer the research question number 1. DPM produce an increase 86% to 93%. And average F1 score outperform the basic Petrinet by 4.4%. This is also multiple. We see the even credit score even and selected attribute. And GAT performance, we see the average GAT performance from 0.67, 0.67, and so on. That performance is decreased, and the average GAT F1 score is increased. We see also in the green graphic. The conclusion: the result of enhancement loan application process model from the Petrinet with data show an increased F1 score by 4.4%, precision by 8.6%, and however, it can reduce the fitness value by 0.9%. The model financial loan application process, multi-perspective process mining, using the data guard, control flow, resource, and data. That resulting first decision point that influence the outcome of loan application. The form of data guard described by other persons considered quite good by measuring F1 score of data guard model with 84%. This is our reference as part of our reference. Thank you. for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.